Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I look completely crazy right now, but as you can see from the title of this video, this is going to be a get ready with me video. I'm going to do this green pretty eyeshadow look with a coral lip. I'm also going to have a pop of purple, not really a pop, but a little bit of purple up in the crease. I've already done my brows off camera, hence me looking crazy like this. So for my eyes, I used dropping stuff. Sorry. I'm using this. Keep dropping stuff. I'm using this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. It's so pretty. You can use an eyeshadow look. You can use it to do an eyeshadow look, but I really use it for my brows because I love the dark brown shade in it. And I also use the ColourPop Take Me Home color. What am I saying, y'all? The ColourPop Take Me Home shadow palette. I'll use that for my brows sometime as well. I also use this palette to make eyeshadow looks as well. This palette actually has the names on the back, so that's one thing that I really love about this palette. And it also has a little mirror. You guys can't see that, it has a little mirror. Alright, so I did my brows off camera first because I am actually heading to the movies. I have 30 minutes to get ready, so I wanted to film this look as I did it because I haven't filmed in a while, so I wanted to really just get some content out for you guys. So I wanted you guys to just really get ready with me, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Again, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki. Welcome. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for supporting me and for loving me, and I love you as well. So we're gonna jump right in this video, and it's gonna be kind of a talk through / fast forward because I am crunch time and I'm kind of in a rush to get out of here, but I did want to film, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Alright, I'm taking this Wet n Wild. This is an illuminator in the shade 800 When the Nude Strikes. This is an illuminator. It's just going to help, it's a makeup highlight stick, and it's just going to help me get that nice little summer glow tonight. So I'm going to apply this all over my face first before I apply my foundation. Now I have already, excuse me, I had to reposition. Ooh. Now I have already applied my moisturizer and my primer, so I'm going to apply this before I apply my foundation all over. Alright, you guys, so now that I applied that and blended it out, I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Mocha. I love this foundation so much. You guys, so I decided to continue the rest of the video with a voiceover, so I'm just gonna continue blending out that foundation. And this beauty sponge that I'm using, I purchased it from Walmart, and I think it's from like Eco Tools, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's the name of it, but I'll have the name of it in the description box below. But I did purchase it from Walmart. It's only about $4. It's a very great tool, but it's better than any beauty sponge that I've ever used, and that's speaking a lot. And I purchased it from Walmart, so I'm pretty sure you can get it from Target too, but I got mine from Walmart. Alright, you guys, next I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand Sable. Ever since I've come across this concealer, I have yet to really pick up anything as much as I do this Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I even use it more than I use the Tarte Shade Tape, and I haven't used that in a while. So I'm just blending out that concealer, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder and Banana to set it. Alright, going into my Kristen Leanne Urban Decay Kaleidoscope palette. I'm taking the shade Sapphire Spitfire, and it's a lovely, beautiful fuchsia color. It has a little shimmer in it, which makes it even more beautiful. I'm just going to take that and blend it into my crease. So I'm not really using like a transition color today. This is going to be as much transition as you guys are going to see within this eye look. And guys, excuse my voice. I'm coming out with a cold, so it's just like, it's hard for me to talk right now. Alright, going in to that palette again, I'm going to take the shade Dye, D-Y-E, Dye, not dye like croak over dye. And I'm going to pop that into the outer corner, making a little V. Now, I'm not making this look smoky. I just want to put a little bit, just enough for you to know it's there. And just give me a little bit of definition in that outer crease area. So I'm not smoking you out, just enough for you to see it's there and give me some dimension there. Alright, going back into that palette again, I'm going to take the shade Lime Time. This is a beautiful green shimmer color. I love it so much. This look was basically done with this palette alone. I haven't picked it up and done a complete full look with this palette in a while, but you guys know how I feel about this palette. It's my favorite palette that I've come across as far as with color, and I just love it. Alright, next I'm going in with my Sephora Foundation Powder. I'm using the shade Toffee. Gosh, I had a brain fart. See, it's these meds, but it's cold. But taking the shade Toffee Caramel, and I'm just dusting away that powder, and I'm also that setting powder, and I'm also setting my foundation. Alright, going in with this black Radiance face powder, I'm going to contour my face. I want to snatch it and give my face a little bit of shape because my face is very round, so I'm going to go in and just give it a little bit of shape. And you guys know the areas that I hit to contour: cheeks, forehead, jawline, and of course I can't forget to contour that nose because I want that to be snatched. That big honker that is sitting on my face definitely needs some snatcherization going on. Alright, going on with the blush, I'm using the Tarte's Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. This is like my favorite pink blush. I love it so much. Alright, next I'm using the Revlon Colorstay eyeliner to line my lower lash line. Now, I really love this eyeliner because it's so dark, it's so creamy, and the cool thing about this eyeliner, it has two ends. One end to actually apply the liner, and the other end is a smudger on the side, so you can smudge the eyeliner out. Then I just went in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and now I'm taking the Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold and highlight my face. Alright, last but not least for lips, I'm using the Kat Von D Liquid Lipstick in the shade Berlin, you guys. I love this color so much. It's kind of tricky to apply, but once you get it, it's great. Alright, you guys, so that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!